Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. My fun and positive word of the day is collaboration. So collaborating with someone else can be really fun. You put your heads together and you come up with something really fun and spectacular. And my collaboration is with an Etsy store called Girl One Art, and the owner's name is Carrie. She has all kinds of really cool digitals, and so I'll leave a link in the description box where you can check that out. And she sent me some fun steampunk things for me to put in my art journals. So the steampunk things that she has on her site are ATC cards, which I've made them bigger onto a full sheet, background images, all kinds of super fun things. So what I did was I took my page that I just showed you yesterday, and I added some of those images to this page because I just, you can never have too much on your page. And like I talked about in my art advice, it's fun to go back and revisit pages. So where I had some blank spaces in this page, in this layout, I added some images. I printed them onto regular copy paper that's really thin because I wanted them to kind of blend into the background. So when I told my story about my girl and the atomic bombs, I added this image in that open space that was there. And I thought that is kind of cool because maybe that is the mad scientist that's working on the bombs, or maybe that's her loved one. Who knows? But it adds some elements of interest to the story. I added this cool looking clock over here where that was just brickwork. So I added that and blended it in. This really neat lamp image, this woman, and I have her standing on the hand. I collaged part of it and put the crazy metal helmet onto her head. I did some stenciling of circle image around that, and at the bottom just to add a little more something to this page. But these images from Girl One Art are so cool. So if you're doing a steampunk book, check it out. I'll put the steampunk files that I received in links in the description box. But then also check out her other things. Her digitals are just so cool. She has all kinds of forests and fairies and forest animals and floral things that you can do. Some of what she sent to me are two-page things that you can print out and fold and make a steampunk journal if you want to put them into a book, like do book binding and bind them into a book and make a steampunk journal that way. I'm going to use them in pieces and torn and things on my backgrounds. I may even do some image transfer with this. This would be a really super fun thing to cover with matte gel medium and put that down and image transfer that into the background of a page. So it's going to be fun to play with what she has sent me. We're excited about collaborating together, and so check out her Etsy shop and see what you can see. And I just wanted to show you the cool things that I added to that page. So I thought it was done. I added some more, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. It's just turned out to be so fun and funky and cool, and I hope you love it too. So thanks for stopping by, and go make some art today, because art soothes the heart.